Keep your eyes on the race. Left your corner. Going live, sound of the tone. Keep it clean. Keep away from each other the first couple laps.
Whoa, love it.
Crossover is a killer for 21.5. Full throttle. Get a good run up. Especially in the later round or later in the heat, 4 minutes into it. Right now we got Dion, your leader. Come over to the table, watch out at the table.
Just pull it. Yeah.
Corner!
Sorry, Bob. I tried to do this way.
Right there for the last couple laps, so let's get back into it. Dion, Steve now in second place.
Guard, come back a little bit.
They're coming over the table, going over the crossover first, second, and third. Go Dion, don't let that car behind you pass you, he's battling.
Come on, Charles.
Second and third coming up behind you, David. Now go, David, go. Two and a half down, 2.5 to go. Dion, 23.505. That's better than TQ, Dion. Go, Dion.
No!
You're beating yourself. Current TQ pace, 22.508. Dion's got it by a whole lap. You see Dion's car get out of his way. He's better than DQ.
Put me after the crossover.
Crap.
Still at the end of the straight. Still at the end of the straight. Clear.
$23.509 now out of your leader. Getting faster every round. Go, Dion, go. 23.508. Betters it by a second on that one. Coming up behind Anthony. Let's go, Anthony. 23.507. Betters it by another second. Let's see where he's at now. Sticking that 23.507 pace with a minute left. Watch out, Steve. That's your leader. Thank you. Tuck in and stay behind me. He's screaming. I'm going to ask Sponge to tech that car after this race. I think he's running his 17.5 at the end of the night. 25 seconds, 23.506. 2 seconds better than TQ. Second place is Steve Gause, that green car. He's right behind you, Dion. No pressure with 4 seconds. That's a race racing to the line. Dion, Steve, Charles, 23.506.
Good job, Dion. Woo, good job.
1 lap better than TQ.
1 lap better than TQ. Woo, he's trying to run away with it, I think.